Hey yo, chat, what's up? How is your weekend going? This is day 9. Yeah, it's already day 9. Wow, that's quite a progress. It's Saturday, yeah, and I'm home as always. I don't have any grass to touch or anything to go do outside, so yeah, I'm always home. I'm home again. Let's just dive right into the charts. This is as we left it yesterday. The VIX 25. I'm not going to talk about FX today. Um, if you all remember, I said I'll be interested if price breaks this high, given a change in market sentiment here. Now we have a break, so I don't really have a point of interest here that price can come back into. So it's just best to keep watching. Just keep watching. Let's go back to the deriv chart. So this is the VIX 25 analysis yesterday. This is not the current chart. No, this is not the current price action. It's stuck, so I have to reload it. Or maybe let me just go to the 1 hour time frame. No, 15-minute time frame. This should load it up. Yep. Look at that. Okay, this is interesting. You can see price went back up. Although we were still moving though. Price went to take out this high. Yep. So where is the price reacting off of? Oh, here. Looks like price is still bullish. Price might be coming back to the zone after all. Maybe that's where price is heading. Who knows? Or maybe. Sorry. Or maybe we might have a change in market bias. But for now, it's best to just watch out. This is going to hit SL as the price is going. It's going. I can assure you, there's a 80% to 20% chance that price is going to take out this high. Yep, that's it. Price is definitely going. Look at where price is reacting off of. That's a valid zone though. Price tapped in into a fair value gap here. Heavy liquidity here, then boom, it's going up. Who would have thought? Anyways, let's go to another chart. I did some analysis on boom 300 yesterday too. This is the 4 hours time. Oh, this is not supposed to be boom. I did analysis on boom and VIX 75. So this is VIX 75. I just named it. I don't know why I named it boom 300. Let's rename this. Yeah, VIX 75. This is the 4 hour chart on VIX 75. VIX, the full meaning of VIX is volatility index. So I'm just used to calling it VIX. We have VIX, we have volatility index. We have different type of volatility indexes. Let me search them out. As you can see, there's volatility index 10 S1 1S. There's volatility index 10. There's volatility 25 index 1S. There's a lot of them. We have step index 100, 200, 300, 400. We have boom 300. We have crash also. We have jump. There's a lot of deriv synthetics here. These are all deriv synthetics. So my best one to pick amongst this category is the volatility indexes. I only trade, and sometimes I go to the I make analysis on boom 300 only. I did some analysis on boom. I don't know. I thought I saved it, but it's not here. Let's go to it. Maybe we can still see it. We should still be able to see it. Sorry. Yep, I knew I did something here. This was found in the 2 hours time frame. But I'm not sure if price is gonna come back to it though. Look at that. just keep trending up. Yep, let me save that up. Boom, 300. That's right. So price might do something like this. Tap in the plug, go and continue. Who knows? Probably I want to do something like this. But yeah, it's just best to wait and see what price you want to do. Yep, it's best to wait. Oh, sorry guys. Let's go back to the VIX 75 index. I don't really know what this price is doing. I don't know what this price action is telling me. Honestly, there's nothing interesting happening here. Let me clean everything here. We have yesterday's high, Friday's high. This is this is Friday's low. And with this Thursday's candle, look how bullish this Thursday candle is. All bullish. If someone found an entry here, looking at this is a really good trade. Look at all this. It's a bullish trend. So I don't know. The bullishness might continue. Who knows? But yeah, this is the high. This is Friday's high. This is Friday's low, and this is Friday's high. So whichever one get taken out first will determine where price wants to go next. But let's just go back to the 4 hours time frame and see. Nope, let's get to the 1 hour time frame. There's nothing to see here, or is there? Yep, there's nothing to see here. Honestly, yeah. These look like a big fair value gap. I don't know. Now let's analyze this here. Bro, it looks too far, but let's just do it anyway. Here's a break of structure, right? Where's my Fibonacci to? Now this is the high. This is the highest point before this break of structure. Before we have this low, this is the highest point. This is the lowest point, right? Now we have this break of structure here. I'm going to mark out from that high, from the highest high to the lowest low, to find my point of premium and discount. Now this is the equilibrium. Anything from here to here, the equilibrium right here, anything from here to here, it's perfect. This will be a premium zone for price to sell back down. So anything from this zone. Now from here to here, from here to here, this is a discount zone for buyers. Now in a downtrend, we are interested in the premium zone, so this discount is not necessary. And I have like some formation settings in my Fibonacci 2 whereby I try to find the golden zone, and the golden zone in this case is here. I don't know where price is reacting from, but yeah, but this is the golden zone. Look at this. This from this point zero, from this 0.61 to the 0.78, it's my golden zone. But I'll be more interested in this space. There's a huge fair value gap, double fair value gap here. Sorry about that. Let me take this off. At least that is still above the premium zone. Yeah, that is exactly inside the premium zone. Take all this off. So yeah, I will be interested in something like this. But this chart is not even sexy. Sorry, I said sexy. I'm not interested in this chart at all. Let's just go to the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on. This chart is not, if I don't, sorry, I wanted to say the F word. If I don't fuck with the chart, I don't really care about it. Now look at this zone. There's something interesting in this zone. In this box, we have this. I don't like analysis. I don't like charts like this, setup like this. I don't like it. Let me show you guys a little bit of how I trade here. I prefer something like this. Let's say we have a demand zone here, right? Now sellers sold, we have a sell off, continuation, sell off, continuation. So sellers sold to my demand zone here. Now the first tap in a demand zone, buyers pushed it up. They came back to take out the first leg, with this leg, maybe to deceive, to trap early buyers, right? Take out this leg. Now then they pushed it back up. Now we have a change of character in this zone. We have a change of character in this zone. I don't know if you guys are getting me to the upside. Now price do something like this. Tap back, find an area of value here, tap back into it, then buy off. So this is basically how I trade. This is my kind of setup here. This is the type of setup I love. We have a sweep here, a sweep of liquidity, and we have a change of character to the upside. Now there are different kind of liquidity. We have the buy side liquidity, we have the sell side liquidity, we have inducement, we have engineer liquidity. All these things are just big words. Once you know what they work for, you don't have to use the words every single time. Liquidity simply means money here, and price is attracted to wherever money is headed. It's money that moves the market. Without liquidity, the market will be stagnant. The market won't move without liquidity. So yeah, that's just liquidity for you. Once price take out a sell side liquidity, price will come back to take out the buy side liquidity. It's just basic. It's basic like that. What goes around come back around, something like that. I don't know if that was fitting, but yeah, this is basically how I trade. Let me look for it in the chart. Maybe I'll be able to find something like that. This look a bit like it. We have something, but it's to the up. Let me invert my chart. Can I invert this chart? I forgot how to invert. Okay, yeah. Now I've inverted my chart so that I'll be able to show it in a time or in the term of buy pressure, bullish or whatever. Sorry. Now if you look at this, we have a sell off to this. No, don't let me use this. This is another strategy entirely. Okay, let me use this. So I don't like this either. Sorry. Which one can I use? Now look at this. Now this is a good example. Yeah. Price sold. We have its sell pressure. Sold again. Sold. Then boom. Price change character here. Tapped here. Then went back off. Now this is our point of interest. Now look at this. We have a liquidity here. Price came to take out this liquidity. This liquidity was taken. After price take out that liquidity, we have a change of character. Now it's easier said than done. If this chart hasn't played out here, how will you know that this is a liquidity area and this is not a break of structure? That is another concept. But like I said earlier, I'm not here to teach anybody how to trade. This is somehow like a journal to me, to my future self personally. So if you're following this journey, you might just actually, if you don't understand some words I've been saying, like liquidity, fair value gap, there are tons of YouTube videos out there. I can actually recommend someone, TJR. He has a basic course for free on YouTube whereby you can learn on all these terms. The internet is free right now. You can know what a break of structure is. Like this now, you can know how to identify which one is liquidity and which one is a perfect change of character. Now, if this price hasn't actually played out, I'll be able to know if this is a break of structure or a liquidity sweep. Because first thing first, the candlestick will close above this, and this will be like a wick. There's something we call wick, a candle wick. Yeah, Now candle, a wick will be swept here, and this will close with a candlestick body. Now I have a demand here. This is where I'm waiting for price to come back and tag me. Look at that. Price came back and gave me a buy pressure up. Now that is a good trade. So yeah, basically that is how I trade. I prefer trades like that. I prefer setups like that. Setups basically like this. I don't dig this. Now look at this. I know this is not a good area, but assuming this is a good area here. Let me clean all this. We have a break of structure here, but looks like that zone has already been tapped. We have a break of structure here. Price came back to a zone here and sold off from there. Price sold off from there. That's my strategy. Since I'm not seeing anything on this pair, let's go out to another pair. I have 3 basic pair. I won't call them my favorites yet. I just have this thing that I want to watch how they play out, which is VIX 25, VIX 75, and V100. I made an analysis on V100. I didn't save that. I think I did it on my phone. I made the analysis on my phone. We have 2 different type of VIX 100, which is volatility index 100 and volatility 100 1S index. Yeah, but this one I prefer this volatility 100 because I have a guy who is trading it and he's very, very good at it. Sorry, this is a long chart. Okay, this is the zone where we anticipated a price will likely react off of, and price is doing exactly what we anticipated. I hope this video is not too long. Jeez, I think we should just stop here. I really don't want to bore anyone with my videos because I won't be able to watch a long ass video too. So let's just stop here, guys. Let's just stop here. Let me save this. We might continue tomorrow. Yeah, we will. See you guys tomorrow. You all have a great night rest. Peace.